Oh, let's try Smooth Operator. I sung it at the shower once. So, I think it should be okay. I don't know how to sing it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get it wrong. I'm gonna get it wrong. Okay. Da 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 da. Diamond light, lover boy. You move in space with minimum waste. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because when I sung it at the shower, I sung you move in space with minimum wage and maximum joy. I'm so sorry. Why did I? What? I don't have my glasses on in the shower, okay? So I don't know the lyrics. I just went with what seems like the word. Okay, for real. City lights and business nights. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago, Western Mail. Across the north and south to Killargo, love for sale. Yippee! That's the only part. Okay, let's sing, let me think. Let's sing this one. Bro, what the hell, bro? I always think about the Talking Tom gif. Wait, let me find it. Talking Tom, what the hell? How do I save it as a gif? Oh, what the hell? Wait, is this song starting? Hold on. No! Okay. What the hell, bro? Bro, what the hell, bro? Vtuber. This is so scuffed. Guys, what if there was like 2 mics? Like, what if I plug in my headset mic? It was Talking Tom. The blind men shout that the creatures out will show the unbelievers the glamour, the fortune, the pain. It's Talking Tom's time. 2 minutes to midnight to kill the unborn in the world. Whoa, Talking Tom. Oh my god, male collab. Okay, that's it. Your name is Talking Tammy now. We have to change it to Talking Angela. Midnight. 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 It's all night. Wait. Oh god. Midnight. All night. Yippee. Okay. It's time to go. Bro, what the hell, bro? 1, 2. Muy, muy.